Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm ARK. In the previous video we have studied about tables in HTML, and in this video we will be studying how to add multimedia in our website. That means audio and video, how to embed audio and video and PDFs to our website. So let's get started by making a file named as embedding media.html. Let's get our starter template now. Okay, let's give it a title as embedding media. And let's give it a heading of embedding media again. Embedding media in HTML. Okay, so we can embed media in HTML by using just an embed tag, which is the simplest way to embed any media. Embed tag. And if you're watching this video, then I expect that you have already watched my previous images video where we have gathered all this media in img folder, and I hope you know how to add source of media, how to specify source of any media. So in the source attribute, src attribute, we specify the source of media we need to embed. So I have embedded a video and an audio in the same embed tag. Let's go live and see. We can take this approach, it is perfectly fine. It will play and we can control video, we can also control media, but there are some problems like we have no cementing importance of embed tag and we get that dark box on the audio that is obviously unwanted. So we will not use embed tag, it is not recommended. I've just specified it because I feel that you need to know the traditional approach. Instead we will use new HTML5 tags of video and audio. So the video tag, HTML5 supports the new video tag to embed video in our HTML documents. We will just specify the source. I have the video of most common type, that is .mp4. We can use videos of different types, but .mp4 and .ogg are recommended. The process of embedding audio and video are exactly the same. We just need to specify the source in src attribute. We can also use a source tag, but we are not going to use it because that is general approach. So as you can see, we can't control the video yet. We have to add controls attribute in order for us to be able to control the video. That means for us to be able to play and for us to be able to increase the volume and seek in the video, we need to add an attribute known as controls. It will hand over the controls which is supported by browser to control the video and the audio. Audio and video tag are exactly the same. So you can see audio and video are embedded. Now we can also play the video and we can also do it full screen. We can change the volume. We can seek. That means we can forward, we can download. We can do pretty much everything. Same goes with the audio. We can seek, we can increase and decrease the volume. We can download it. So HTML5 didn't specify the supported formats of video, but MP4 and OGG works perfectly fine. You can play along with the video types and discover what works best, means what works properly for you. I have checked that WebM doesn't support it very well. We can't seek or we can't forward when we use WebM format. The video will play, we can full screen it, we can change its volume, but we can't seek ahead or we can't forward it. So WebM is not supported. Let's just remove and let's now add our OGG file. Now we have our video format .ogg and let's save it and let's see. So as you can see, we can seek, we can play, we can still download. So OGG and MP4 are supported. which are the most common video formats. Like most of the other elements in HTML, you can also specify the width and height of the video in pixels. I will specify 600 pixels, so you can see the size has been changed, the height, the width is changed. And we cannot specify width in audio tag because it is already small. It doesn't support width. And the aspect ratio rules stay the same for video as images. Like if we just specify width, only width will be changed and aspect ratio will be sustained. And if we specify both width and height, the aspect ratio will be disturbed. I just remove it. Let's now discuss some common attributes which are supported by both audio and video elements. Let's multi-select it by holding Alt and clicking. Okay, let's click it here. Okay, so we have multi-selected it, and the first attribute we are gonna use is autoplay. So this will basically automatically play when the page loads. So you can see as soon as I saved it, it started playing. So next attribute is auto buffer. What auto buffer does is it automatically buffers the video even before we click the play button, because that means before playing the video it automatically buffers, so that video should be played smoothly. Now the next attribute we have is loop. So what it basically does is it replays the video whenever it finishes. That means it is a playing loop. It again and again plays the video from the starting whenever it finishes. You can see the video is finished and it's played again. And the same goes with audio. And the next attribute we have is preload. So what basically preload does is when we set preload to auto, it will buffer the video before even the page loads fully, and same goes with audio. Let's see. So here the video is loaded before the page fully displays, means you can see. If I just fast forward it, if I just seek it ahead, we will have no problem in playing it. We won't have any buffering. Basically preload tag is ignored if it is already autoplay, if already autoplay attribute is included. These were all the attributes supported commonly by audio and video elements. Now our next attribute is only for video, which is poster attribute. In poster attribute we will specify a link, we will specify a source to an image file which will replace the poster, which will replace the video, means which will display before we play the video. Basically it acts as a thumbnail of video. We'll see it practically. I'm actually not able to frame the sentence, I don't know why. I hope you have understood it, and I hope it will get clear. So let's specify the source and let's see it. So you can see the poster is changed. That means the thumbnail is my image now. It is looking weird. Let's change the poster. Let's just add another image. So to add a thumbnail, you can use a poster attribute and you can specify a source. You can also specify a GIF, that is GIF, if you wish. It will be really useful. What else is missing? Okay, so while you play the video, you will get an option as picture in picture. You can play it in background this way. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope the video was helpful. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to share it with your friends. And be subscribed to my channel. Stay tuned for the further videos like these. We have divided this topic into two parts. The first one was about audio and video, and the next one will be about documents. I'll see you in the next one. I'm really bad at outros.